Hey there, it's Jason Gold with 30 seconds of IR Insights. One of the things that I think management teams don't really understand is that most of the time, the way a fireside chat is consumed is through a transcript. That's because investors hear about the story and they want to look back and learn as much as they can about the company. Now, when someone is reading a transcript, it can be totally overwhelming to see something that's 25 or 30 pages with walls and walls of words. They oftentimes will just put that transcript down and move on to another one that's easier to consume. That's why I recommend keeping your answers short. Have it be more of a dialogue with the person asking you the questions so that you're going back and forth. It's not just one person talking and talking and talking. Oftentimes I see that particularly to the first question that someone asks, and it's many, many long paragraphs. That's very difficult for an investor to consume. So think about shortening your answers and having it be more of a back and forth dialogue. It's just easier for your investor base to consume. That's it. Good luck.